Hey, let's be honest, you feel when your sound isn't living up to what you see and hear in your head. The Klipsch RP-8000F is for the person who knows when audio is holding back the emotion of a film, the punch of a soundtrack, or the nuance in a favorite track. Before you do anything else, check the current price and availability, because premium floor-standing speakers like these don't stay at steady stock for long. You've probably lived with speakers that sound okay, but okay isn't inspiring, isn't immersive, and isn't the kind of presence you notice when it matters. That thin mid-range, that lack of impact on low notes, or that shrillness at high volume, you've felt all of that. The first time these speakers fill your room, you'll feel that old limitation drop away. It's like someone finally unlocked the sound your space has been capable of. Picture a movie night where every explosion has weight, every whisper feels intentional, and the music doesn't just play, it unfolds. Or imagine listening to your favorite album and actually catching details you've never heard before, because these speakers don't just reproduce sound, they present it with clarity and authority. The Hybrid Tractrix Horn and Cerametallic woofers aren't just specs, they're the difference between audio that sits in the room and audio that lives in it. Once you've felt true depth and clarity, anything flatter starts to feel like a compromise you've outgrown. Every time you consider alternatives, your mind keeps drifting back here because you already know what powerful, authentic sound feels like. Don't let hesitation about price or stock dips be what keeps you from the upgrade you'll end up wishing you'd made sooner. And if you're wondering whether speakers this capable really matter, here's the twist most people don't expect: it's not about loudness. It's about presence. Dialogue and vocals feel distinct. Instruments separate with definition. Bass moves without boom, it breathes. Music doesn't just fill the room, it engages you. Sound that fills your space with dimension, clarity that reveals texture and nuance, bass that feels deep without distortion, presence that draws you into every track, confidence that your speakers finally match your taste. Premium investment compared to basic setup. Size requires space and proper placement. At some point you stop debating spec sheets and just choose the system you keep envisioning in your home, because nothing else keeps pulling you back in the same way. Check the current price and availability now and make the upgrade your future self will be glad you didn't delay.